Russia's upgraded Pantsir S surface-to-air missile gun system features higher efficiency of striking unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, complex shells and long-range missiles. High Precision Systems Holding Company, part of the state tech corporation Rostec, said on Tuesday. The upgraded Pantsir features innovations that raise its efficiency of striking UAVs, complex shells and long-range missiles. The results of the system's combat use have shown that proper design solutions were made, the company's press office said on its Telegram channel. High Precision Systems reported earlier that the company's specialists had raised the Pantsir's efficiency against Storm Shadow cruise missiles. The Pantsir self-propelled surface-to-air missile gun system engineered by the Shipanov Design Bureau of Instrument Making is designed to shield military, administrative and industrial facilities and areas from enemy aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles and precision weapons and to boost air defenses in repelling massive airstrikes. The Russian Army operates the Pantsir S1 modification with a multi-channel system of locking on and tracking targets. It is capable of striking aerial targets flying at a speed of up to 1,000 meters per second and at a distance of 200 meters to 20 kilometers. On the other hand, the makers of Russia's Pantsir, literally carapace or shell, self-propelled combined surface-to-air missile and anti-aircraft artillery systems have completed the delivery of the 2023 defense order ahead of schedule, and fitted them out with a number of upgrades. Air defense system maker High Precision Systems has completed the delivery of an undisclosed number of the Pantsir mobile air defense platforms to the Russian military. The firm has been working overtime to ramp up supplies to provide troops with the much-needed tools to provide air cover against Ukrainian drone, ballistic and cruise missile attacks. Rostec, High Precision Systems parent, said in a statement on Tuesday that the new Pantsir differs from the base model, with modifications based on the experiences gained by air defense troops operating in the special military operation in Ukraine. Improvements were introduced into the complex to increase the efficiency of its work against UAVs, complex projectiles and long-range missiles. The results of the system's use in combat has shown the correctness of the previously made design decisions, the company said. The Pantsir's use in Ukraine offers important clues on the kinds of upgrades one might expect in the newly built systems being rolled out by High Precision Systems. This summer, Sputnik reported on the system's successful use against HIMARS rockets and low-visibility Storm Shadow cruise missiles, thanks to Russian engineers' successful reverse engineering of the NATO weapons to discover their control systems' frequencies and to new thermal imagers and updated software installed in existing Pantsir models. The Pantsir S1 missile system is a mobile platform that provides point air defense, former U.S. Marine turned geopolitical researcher and writer Brian Berletic told Sputnik in a recent interview. Throughout recent conflicts, we've seen it intercept a number of munitions, from drones and cruise missiles to ballistic missiles and even HIMARS guided rockets. It is a testament to the capabilities of Russian air defense, acknowledged by even Western analysts as the best in the world. With the Pantsir successfully adopted to destroy virtually an aerial threat Ukraine and its NATO sponsors can throw at it, Russian arms makers' main goal now will be to build enough of them to set up a truly impenetrable air defense shell that fully covers both Russian forces on the front lines and civilian settlements in the hinterlands, a favorite target of Ukraine's military not just since February 2022, but since Kiev launched its punitive operation in the Donbass in the spring of 2014. The Pantsir is in service with Russia's aerospace forces, the Navy and the air and missile defense troops, and have also been exported extensively to countries including Algeria, Iraq, Iran, the United Arab Emirates, Oman, Serbia, Syria, and Ethiopia. The system has been used in conflicts ranging from Syria, where they have been deployed to help defend the country against terrorist drones and aggression launched by Israel, the United States, France and Britain, to Libya, where they are operated by the Libyan National Army and reportedly delivered by the UAE, to Ukraine, where they have been used by Russia to protect against an array of NATO projectiles.